Okay, morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Um, as you can see, I started to do the body work on the vehicle. Um, there's a couple things that I gotta adjust. I started to weld the back plate back in. I gotta fabricate now the top panel for this section. Um, I had a couple holes there that I had to patch, and I also have to do this one. Uh, Hopefully when I can get that done before the end of the day so that I can start this tomorrow. Start out the inside of here, well, any pieces that I need to put in and stuff, and hopefully the whole back part of this will be completed. Just gotta put it back up, put back in the glass and everything. So far I haven't came across any major issues and the welding and stuff. It's a sunny day, so hopefully I can be able to get some progress done on the car without any rain coming to interrupt me. I just want to ask that you all subscribe and follow me on my journey towards my project build. Thanks.